Hello and a very warm welcome to Hyatt India and Smile Foundation present Cook for a Smile in association with CNBC TV18. On this very special episode, we bring together like-minded corporate honchos who display the culinary skills in a unique cooking competition.
Hyatt and Smile Foundation got 11 CEOs together at the Grand Hyatt in Mumbai and made them don cooking hats and aprons, all for the noble cause of raising funds for providing nutrition to underprivileged children.
Cook for Smile is an unique and innovative initiative to bring people who believe in food and also are committed for the cause of education for children to come together and create awareness about the effects of malnutrition at a national level.
When Smile came to us and said that we have Chef Vikas Khanna who is going to put together this cooking competition, it immediately appealed to us because it included the things that are most dear to our heart: food and beverage, cuisine, innovation and creativity. It's a very out-of-the-box concept. It's also got the business leaders from different industries across India coming together to help the cause. We know that Smile has been very active with educating children all across India. They're organized, they're a structured NGO, and I think that we are very, very proud and happy to be working with them towards educating the children in India.
This one-of-a-kind cook-off between our corporate leaders was hosted by three-time Michelin star celebrity chef Vikas Khanna, who's also a goodwill ambassador to Smile Foundation's Nutrition for Better Literacy.
Under this initiative, heads of various corporates have agreed to come together to participate in a cooking event steered by celebrity chef Vikas Khanna to create awareness about the cause of malnutrition in the country and to raise funds to send at least 5,000 children to school this year.
Okay, can we have our tycoons on the table?
It's time to meet the 11 CEOs who were a part of Cook for Smile. Shravan Kumar, CEO Children Film Society India. Manoj Chako, CEO Kioni Business Travel. Arun Chatterjee, Vice President Depository Receipts BNY Mellon India. David Mansfield, Area Director and General Manager, Grand Hyatt Mumbai. Dr. Raman Goel, Center for Metabolic Surgery. Nityanand Shetty, MD SN Vision Software. Archana Kochar, Founder and CEO Archana Kochar Couture. Mohit Jain, Regional Director Asia Pacific KitchenAid. Arjun Bafna, MD Seven Islands Harley Davidson. Vishal Gondal, Founder and CEO Goki. And Tejbir Singh Sauni, CEO Hindustan Colas.
Will be judged on three criteria: your imagination, second is the presentation, and third is the taste. अर्चना जी, आपको बहुत टेंशन है, मैंने सुना है इस गेम की. She took cooking classes. Oh, I'm not supposed to say that, but she did take a cooking class so that she can be working here, right?
Not really cooking class, but I practiced what I'm going to make today.
Okay, she practiced what she's going to make today. Sir, have you cooked before? Never?
That's my partner.
हाय, दोनों की सेम कश्ती है. हाय, एक ही कश्ती में बैठे हैं दोनों. मैंने भी खाना नहीं बनाया, मैंने भी खाना बनाया. Okay, one thing, Archana, I must tell you that you can't order food from Hyatt to put it there. Ma'am ji. I forgot to tell you guys that there's a big surprise now. All the contestants, all the boardroom head guys, can you just stop cooking right now? Can you just stop cooking? Stop cooking. Can you just move one step behind the counter, please? Please. We have a surprise here which I forgot to tell them, that now the dish is going to be finished by their partners. Make sense? So we have to exchange spaces. Hands down, the first is...
But we won't reveal the winners just as yet. Welcome back to Hyatt and Smile Foundation present Cook for Smile. It's now time for our second set of CEOs to dish out some culinary delights.
it'll be amazing to see such an accomplished designer to design food. I think you have such an alternate thinking that you can change the food. You know that?
Yeah, let's hope so.
Mr. Shetty, you've made your whole family cry for cutting these onions.
I wish they'll be proud after I finish it.
Okay. So next Sunday you're cooking at home. And
I
you're all
am.
coming.
I am for sure.
To begin with, I've already got 3 ladies in my life proud of me, my mother, my wife and my niece. They are so excited that, because last night, because of this event, I went into the kitchen and tried my dish. So they were super excited about it. So already they are proud of me. So I think that's half the battle won.
He is the main person here. I'm privileged to be.
I'm just the helper.
Yes.
Good way to do the boardroom meetings, right? Blame, you have somebody to blame later. Chalo theek hai ji, congratulations. What are you making?
We are making puri and a sabji, aloo jeera.
As with the first group, it was now time for the CEOs in the second group to switch places with their partners.
He will make a much better job.
So that's what I want, no, because I'm tasting. That's the point.
Don't want to take a risk.
I don't want to take a rest. Ab baithe naam.
So for her to take over was really interesting.
Once again, it was time for our judge to taste the dishes made by the CEOs and choose the top 2.
I am very, very nervous. To begin with, I didn't time out the half an hour thing properly. So, I was busy cutting and all, and I actually ended up cutting my finger, and then my son jumped in to help me out. And in the end, towards the end, even my wife jumped in to help and all. So I was more happy that, probably a family who cooks together stays together. So they all helped me out. So that experience itself was very exciting for me.
That was quite an exciting competition that definitely proves that our corporate leaders can not only just take the heat, but can also slice and dice with exuberant flair. That's all the time we have on this show today. From the entire team here, goodbye and thank you for watching.
Yes, I have cooked for my wife. I don't do it enough.
Except for my morning cup of tea, I don't do any cooking.
Absolute foodie who never goes to the kitchen.
I'm into eating, I'm not as much into cooking.